आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री महोदय श्री देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी, आदरणीय डिप्टी सीएम मैडम श्रीमती सुनीत्रा पवार जी, आदरणीय स्पीकर महाराष्ट्र लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली श्री राहुल नार्वेकर जी, आदरणीय मंत्री महोदय श्री मंगल प्रभात लोधा जी कौशल्य विकास आणि तसेच आदरणीय चीफ सेक्रेटरी सर श्री राजेश अग्रवाल जी and all the senior officers who are present here in the room and who are present online. सर, व्यासपीठ की अनुमति से मैं आज इंग्लिश, हिंदी और मराठी तीनों भाषाओं में बात करना चाहूँगी बिकॉज आज केंद्र सरकार से बहुत सारे वरिष्ठ अधिकारी हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए थे ये कार्यक्रम में. ऑलमोस्ट 21 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वेदर इट इज़ कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग कमीशन, NSCDL, ऐसे अनेक संस्थाओं के साथ जुड़ा हुआ ये कार्यक्रम है, तो वो भी जुड़े हुए हैं हमारे साथ. और उसी के साथ उतनी मुझे खुशी मिलती है बताते हुए कि राज्य सरकार भी अनेक जुड़े हुए हैं. इनफैक्ट आज मुझे लगता है पंजाब और कुछ राज्यों के लोग भी यहाँ आए हुए हैं. सो इट हैज़ बीन अ कोलैबोरेटिव एफर्ट एंड आई वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर दिस प्रोग्राम. अभी मैं आपको संक्षिप्त में GAD से जो HR का प्रवास जो हुआ है, आई वुड लाइक टू स्टेट राइट अप फ्रंट दैट व्हेन यू से GAD इट्स एक्चुअली होल ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. यहाँ पे सिर्फ GAD की कहानी नहीं बताई जा रही है, इट्स फॉर द होल ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट व्हाट वी डिड इन द लास्ट 2 years अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ द ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर सर. So just to bring a larger perspective, economic survey ने 2 साल लगातार, that means 2025, 26, 26, 27, that means almost 2 years they continuously said, अगर state की अगर एक limitation है, it is implementation capacity. आप बेशक सबसे बेस्ट बजट से दें, सबसे बेस्ट पॉलिसीज और स्कीम्स लेके आएँ, बट जब तक आपकी लास्ट माइल की इफेक्टिवनेस नहीं होगी, इट विल नॉट बी पॉसिबल टू मेक एन इम्पैक्ट वेदर ऑन ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस और ऑन ईज ऑफ लिविंग. एंड स्पेशली मुझे लगता है कि एक नवीन आह्वान बहुत है हमारे सामने. टेक्नोलॉजी लैंडस्केप इज चेंज ड्रामेटिकली इन द लास्ट आई थिंक 1-2 years. उसके साथ साथ क्लाइमेट चेंज के इश्यूज तो हैं ही, और लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट विद द वॉर एंड कंटिन्यूस टैरिफ वॉर्स, आई थिंक economically also and increasing expectations, therefore governance is no more a side issue, it is a main issue. And इसी बात पर about exactly 2 years back when honorable CM took his first meeting, I remember very clearly, all the secretaries were present in the room. The first line he said was, let us improve governance. Putting governance on the center stage, I think, was very historic because very rarely on the political leadership level it is put on the agenda. And in fact, I want to quote, which is one of my favorite quotes of his: good governance is like oxygen. Its presence is not felt, but its absence is. And I think we all understand who are secretaries. Because every day I think all of us face contempt petitions, court cases, angry people who are not happy that their promotions have not taken place. There is a system that is crying, and a band-aid solution to a mega problem was not possible. So one of the first programs that was taken up was the 100-day program. And I want to say this, it's very rare that very deep institutional reforms are taken up. And in this case, the most important reform was Akriti Bandh. Frankly speaking, I must admit, when I joined 2 years back, for me, Akriti Bandh was a new word. Because I have also, like all IAS officers, always been in the field and always been outside looking, never looked inward. So for me to learn and to be part of the team to talk about Akriti Bandh, just to give an example, what really Akriti Bandh means is like running a Mercedes-Benz car with a Maruti 800 engine. And that also, if the engine has not been serviced, or perhaps it is even without engine oil, that is how we are running government. Therefore, I think Akriti Bandh are foundational reforms which redesign. And I'm very proud to say that all the secretaries who are sitting here have put in enormous efforts, and more than 60% of the departments have redesigned their very basic structure of the government, which has happened almost after 40 to 50 years in some cases. And I think this is a historic new for any state to have. दूसरा एक और इशू है which I think is equally fundamental and many of you may not have realized. Very often आजकल न्यूज़पेपर आप खोलते हैं तो you most of the time see about exams पे चर्चा चल रही है. But Maharashtra began more than 1 year back talking about reforms. And I remember the closed door meeting where Honorable CM directed, आप करेंगे तो बिल्कुल put MPSC and all the public service recruitments as a high priority area. In the last 1 year, we reformed almost 1/3 of the recruitment rules, which means जो Xerox papers में बहुत, I think many of the secretaries saw what was the status of it because they're so busy running. We told them, please look at your recruitment reforms. Xerox copies पे चल रही है government को, recruitment rules उन्होंने बदला, and I can say the impact of it is that 1400 exams जो today public service recruitment के होते हैं, today there are only 70 exams which are being done, and this enormous change means the Public Service Commission के ऊपर जो load है, that will come down in the next 1 or 2 years. Somebody may ask, why is the impact not showing immediately? मुझे लगता है कि HR is like जगन्नाथ का रथ है, वो अभी शुरू हुआ है. The reforms will show in the next 1 or 2 years, and you will see definitely impact. And this has been an absolute contribution of all the secretaries who took it upon themselves to do. At the same time, I think I would be missing in my duty if I don't say what exactly is whole of government approach, because every Anukampa Niyukti that took place, 5,000 of them on a single day, happened only due to collectors who gave leadership. And I want to thank each one of them, because these kind of things, her case, I'm sure आपको पता ही है कि Anukampa means hundreds of court cases. And also, just see the plight of a कोई गडचिरोली का प्यून अगर आपके मंत्रालय के चक्कर काट रहा है एक फाइल के लिए, फॉर दैट ऑल्सो फॉर ए कंपैशनेट अपॉइंटमेंट. ऐसी चीज़ें जब सॉल्व हुई, आई थिंक वी टुक अनदर स्टेप ऑफ वर्किंग टूवर्ड्स एंड फॉर आवर एम्प्लॉयज़. एंड उसी दरमियान आई गॉट, as you know, one of the largest training platforms of Government of India, and Maharashtra was doing particularly badly. Only 15,000 people out of our 5 lakh government employees were onboarded. In a mission mode, we onboarded about 11 lakh people in less than 1 year. But more than that, I think सिर्फ onboard करना, हाँ गवर्नमेंट में तो ऐसे काम होते हैं, but each one of them did courses, and we became the largest user of the platform in India actually, which is I think historic high. But उससे भी ज़्यादा बहुत प्रशंसनीय बात है कि they did courses of 4.5 lakh hours on artificial intelligence and frontier technology. I'm sure Virendra Singh is feeling happy. You finally have manpower which can talk about technology, not give it in their hands, that they have learnt it. But सबसे सुखद अनुभव हम सब अधिकारी या कर्मचारी उनके लाइफ में कब आता है? When we see promotions. And I think this was a very interesting thing, because it never struck me. As IAS officers, we are so privileged that आपको पता है January 1st होते ही we almost all of us have promotions on the clock. But first time जब मुझे point out किया गया by Honorable CM कि what about Group C and D, जिनके बारे में कभी भी चर्चा नहीं होती. Just for your information, there are 3,500 cadres in Maharashtra, of which almost 75 to 80% are Group C and D. और इस मुहिम में जो 150-day program का था, more than 40,000 people got promotion, which I think was another new high for the state. And I think this has been one very important journey that we did. मैं इसके बारे में पास के बारे में ही बता रही हूँ, but the most important switch that we did was, it's good institutional reforms should get digitized. And therefore the next gen reforms of digitization began, जिसके बारे में मेरी पूरी टीम बताने ही वाली है. But I would like to tell about my team. आज आप जिन लोगों को सुनेंगे, they are not senior officers, they are section officers, clerks. They have owned this whole program. My whole team, GAD, unlike many departments, doesn't have the privilege of budgets. In fact, at one level, I'm happy because we don't have a budget, because I have less visitors. But it also gave me time to concentrate, and my whole team has worked so hard. It is a program not of consultants or outsiders, though no doubt they're very important, but it is an in-house program done by my people. And I feel proud about every single person who's going to come on the stage, because I must share on a lighter note, I did feel like Lagan के team की incharge, जहाँ पर like Amir Khan, I neither knew batting, bowling, which is needed for GAD. I was very poor on that. And my team, which worked so hard to make it. So I feel very proud and privileged to be part of such a wonderful team, and to be working under the visionary leadership of our Honorable CM. I'm indeed privileged, sir, that you have taken out your time, and all the dignitaries who are on the stage, and all. And today, this almost 350 plus IAS officers are online, many IPS officers, revenue. Most of government is today is watching, putting HR on the highest priority. And this Jagannath Rath Yatra chalti rahegi, and I'm sure a lot of wonderful work I'll see. Thank you all so much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.